बोलो.
This
Can
is
you?
my after braces teeth.
Mm.
There's no gap, and I'm loving it.
So for how many months you have applied the braces?
I have applied for 8 months,
And
and
what
this
is what is the age up to which the braces can be applied?
there is no age limit. You can apply braces at any age.
So do you have the retainers?
Yes. Actually, after 18 years, you have to permanently apply it.
Can you see there was a gap? Now there is no gap, which I've shown you in the earlier photo. So this has been done by the maxillofacial surgeon. Thank you.